Having really sharp pain in my bicep. I've had surgery. I had my bicep repaired twice in a period of 3 months. It kept tearing. And so the last time I got it repaired, I just had this like really aching pain after physical therapy, like in the middle of the bicep belt. When Dr. Singh mentioned that he thought my 5th rib might have been out of place. So he first checked like my 2nd and 3rd rib. And then he tried my 4th and 5th by gently mobilizing them, by pushing on my back. It did not hurt at all. And in fact, it felt great because it's not like I've been getting massages because I've had shoulder surgery twice in 3 months. But when he pushed on the rib through the back and it released the pressure, I mean, immediately I could feel it. And I told him, I was like, oh my God, it's gone. The pain is gone. And, knock on wood, it has not come back.